Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find security. Let's tap on it. Now, as you can see in the device security section, we've got the fingerprint, so let's enter. And this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because right now we have to add an additional screen lock, so the pattern pin or password. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then your device will transfer you to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. It's crucial, it's so important, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will simply wipe out all of the data, all of the photos, files, music, I don't know, accounts, and so on. So that's really important, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So just do it. Let's just, for example, tap on the pattern. Let's draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here you have to decide what you want to see on the lock screen, what you want to display. You can show all the notification content, sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you. Just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and tap on done. And what happened here? Hello? Hello? Alright, we've got the screen lock set, so let's tap on the fingerprint right now. Let's enter the pattern, and okay, right now we can add the fingerprint to this device. So here we've got, of course, the information that we can use the fingerprint to unlock the device, to authorize the purchases, or sign into apps. So let's tap on setup, and something's wrong clearly, as you can see, with the fingerprint section. Let me try again. Setup. All right, we've got it. We've got the animation, we've got the instructions. So we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So let me do it. Let me put my finger here. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. So change the position of your finger. Alright, here we've got it. We just successfully added the fingerprint. We can add another or simply tap on done. And again, something's wrong. Let's go back. Fingerprint, let's enter here, and as you can see, this is the let's say the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it, we can also rename it just by tapping on it. We can add another, or we can decide how we want to turn how we want to unlock the device. So we can simply unlock it with just touching with our fingerprint the fingerprint sensor, or we can touch it but also press it at the same time. It's up to you. I prefer this only touch option because it's, I would say, more comfortable for me. Okay, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually, that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.